What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2022 Mazda CX-30. This will also clear the service past due message that you may be getting on your dash if you're in need of an oil change. So you need the vehicle either running or in the on position. Then we're going to take a look at the center screen, and the controls for that are down here. If you're not already there, go ahead and hit the home button right here. And that will take you to the home screen, which looks like that. From here, I'm going to do all this using this button here, this dial that rotates to scroll up or down, and then it presses in. So I'm going to focus in on the center screen, but just so you know what I'm doing down here when I say I'm scrolling up or down and then pressing this button in, that whole button will press in. So from the center screen, the first thing I'm going to do is scroll up till information is highlighted and press that button in. From here, I'm going to scroll down to vehicle status monitor, press that button in. And then from here, I'm going to scroll down to vehicle maintenance settings, press that button in. And then once I'm on this screen, I'll scroll down to reset oil change distance, press that button in. And it's saying, do you really want to reset it? Scroll up till reset is highlighted, press that button in. So now the oil life, the distance has been reset. And if you have your next service date set to automatic, as mine is here, that should now have cleared the service past due message if you have that on your dash. Now, if you have this highlighted and press this in, it'll toggle it over to manual. If you have yours set as manual, in order to clear the service past due message, what you need to do is highlight this and press this in, toggle over to automatic, and then back to manual, and then go down and put in the service date and distance that you want. But you'll need to do that from go to automatic back to manual, and then set it in order to clear that message. But I'm just going to leave mine set as automatic, and then we don't even have to worry about it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.